So I just got this new photo printer and I'm so stinking excited. I thought I would show you how it prints a photo that I have pulled up here, but also tell you a few just things about the setup. It's really easy. Once you get it, you're going to, all you have to do is plug in this box. You're going to insert one of the um, like ink cartridges there, and it does come with like a few of these. Um, so that just kind of slides right in. And then here, this is the paper tray. You're just going to open up the end. You want to put the photo paper in glossy side up, and you want to not touch that glossy side. That's just going to probably protect it and help take care of the printer. When you first power the printer on, you just kind of hold the power button, and then the white light will come on. And that's just kind of your power light. And then you want to give it maybe like, I want to say like 30 seconds. And there's a light that's going to start flashing orange for about 10 seconds, and then it'll stay solid orange. And that's your Wi-Fi light. You're going to go to there's a browser, like a URL in the instruction manual that's going to allow you to download the driver. And that's if you're using a computer. I'm probably usually going to use my phone and just the app in my phone, but I'm using my phone to film this, so I did it on my computer and just downloaded the driver real quick, installed that, and then all I have to do from there, once that's connected via Wi-Fi, which was super simple to do, I can just open up like a photo. Like I have this one here. I'm not sure how well the computer screen is going to come out on the video, but this is like a photo of me when I was in Spain recently. And I'm going to go up here and just hit the print button. Now, I printed this other photo over here before and it came out really well. So I'm really surprised with like the detail of me kind of like up close, but I thought this one is a little more scenic and a lot more like background detail. So I thought we'd give that a try. So you give it a second to kind of load. I didn't change anything here on the first one, and I'm not going to change it this time, but of course you could play around with some of those different settings. And then I'm going to hit print. And I will say, I'm not sure how long it's going to take this time. Last time when I hit print, I waited somewhere between maybe 30 seconds and a minute before it started going. So you do want to give it time. Don't like think you're going to hear it start within 2 seconds. I don't know if that's just because it's connecting via Wi-Fi, because that's how I'm doing this one. You can also set it up via like a USB cord, so that's an option as well. On the back side of the printer, you want to make sure it has at least 4 inches of space, because the photo paper you'll see in a second, it's going to kind of, it'll start to go in and then it comes out about 4 inches behind the printer, and it does that back and forth several times. So we'll take a look at that when it starts here in a second, so that you can see that. But it's really cool because as the paper feeds through, the first time through, when it comes out this side, you'll see like it's got this just, it almost looks entirely yellow. And then the second time it comes through, it's entirely magenta. Oh, you can see it's now starting. So you see that took a second to get started. So you just want to be aware of that. So you see the paper came out the end. And here's that yellow that I was talking about. So like that's that first coat. And then it goes back through. And now we're going to see the magenta, I believe. Or at least that's around the color that I thought it was. This one looks a little more red this time. Might just be because of the colors that are in the photo itself. And then we'll start to see what looks almost like a finished product on this one, but then it's going to go through one more time after that, and then we'll kind of compare it to what's on the screen, although I think the screen might be kind of hard for me to pick up on my phone. But yeah, we'll take a look. I can't tell you how excited I am about this. This is so cool. I'm also excited because I don't have a lot of space. I have a really small condo, and to be able to store this and it be really small is great. So there we go. The computer is really bright. Let's take a closer look at that. Look at the detail. Even in the upper right corner, you can see there it even picked up like the, I had like a glare on the camera from the light that's in the image on the screen. So I'm not sure if you can see that there, but it even picked up those little details. It looks really nice. I'm so excited about this to be able to make like personalized things for friends and family, be able to print out stuff that I can frame right in my house, I think is so cool. But like I said too, just you can pop this right out and then it sits perfectly on top here when you're done using it. And that just makes for such easy storage. It's going to go really well like in my desk space and be able to store away when I'm not using it. So I'm super, super excited about this, and I hope this demonstration was helpful for you.